Hello students. So my channel Clear Your Doubt is going to help you in your preparation journey. If you are a NEET-UG student, you can ask questions from physics only. If you are a JEE Mains or advanced student, you can ask questions from physics and mathematics both by sending your question to my Telegram channel. And link for the channel is given in the description. Alright. So let's do this question and let me read the question for you. A ball attached to one end of the string that swings in a vertical plane, alright, such that its acceleration at point A, which is the extreme point, is equal to its acceleration at point B, that is mean position. Alright, okay, so this is your setup. So this is the string, okay, string, and this is the ball, right, which is attached and which is swinging, right? So A is the extreme point. Tell me one thing, if this is the string and this angle is going to be theta, right? And this component is how much? Mg cos theta, right? And this is mg sin theta. All right, now you are given that at point A, which is extreme, and at point B, which is mean position, A and B acceleration is same. Tell me one thing, T is balanced by mg cos theta. All right, what is the component of, what is the unbalanced force here? Mg sin theta, right? That mg sin theta is going to give you the acceleration. Let's call the acceleration A, right? Newton's second law. So next thing is, here if you'll come at the mean position, right? So mean position पे क्या है आपका? Again T is going to balance mg, right? Still there is some acceleration according to the question, right? And that acceleration is generated or is present due to which force? So this ball is doing a kind of circular motion in a vertical plane. All right, so that acceleration at mean point is going to come from what? Centrifugal force, that is a pseudo force, right? So mv square upon r. And since acceleration is same and mass, you are considering the same object, that is ball attached with the string, and that is going to be how much? M into A, right? So this is going to give that acceleration at the mean position. All right. Now you need to find theta, but here one more unknown is A, right? So you need one more equation that you can get from energy कंजर्वेशन, राइट? ये बहुत बार आप लोग कर चुके होंगे पेंडुलम वाले क्वेश्चन में. इफ दिस लेंथ इज एल, स्ट्रिंग की लेंथ कितनी है एल, तो ये वाला कितना हो जाएगा बताओ? पहले ये बताओ, एल का कंपोनेंट ले लो, इस इन दिस डायरेक्शन क्या हो जाएगा? एल कॉस थीटा, राइट? और ये डिस्टेंस कितनी हो जाएगी? एल टोटल है यहां से लेके यहां तक, एल माइनस एल cos theta, right? So tell me one thing. So some potential energy is going to be at the extreme position, right? How much is that? Mg. If you'll assume this as a ground, this is the height you will consider, Mg L minus L cos theta is equal to half mv square. All the kinetic energy would be here. So all the energy would be in the form of kinetic energy at the mean position. ये सब क्या होगा यार? Basic fundamental है, right? So okay, now one more thing. This R is basically, so this is doing vertical circular motion by with center situated at this hinge point. So basically L and R is same, right? So L is equal to R. You'll just put it there. So mg 1 minus cos theta is equal to half mv square upon L. बट L को हम R भी लिख सकते हैं और mv स्क्वायर अपॉन R की जगह हम ma लिख सकते हैं, राइट? हाफ m इंटू ए, और ma हमारा कितना है? mg साइन थीटा, राइट? हाफ mg साइन थीटा, राइट? और यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? mg 1 minus cos theta. Mg is cancelled out. What is left? 1 minus cos theta is equal to half sin theta. Alright. थीटा की वैल्यू निकालना है आपको. जस्ट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 2 cos थीटा इज इक्वल टू साइन थीटा. ये बहुत ही आसान है, स्क्वायर कर दो दोनों तरफ. 4 प्लस 4 cos स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. साइन स्क्वायर थीटा को 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा लिख लो और ये एक तरफ ले आओ. बाय द वे ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड यहाँ पे 2 2 जा 4 2 जा 8 8 cos थीटा विल कम एज वेल. ए माइनस बी के होल स्क्वायर पे उसे ब्रेक करना है, राइट. तो ये आ जाएगा कितना? 4 प्लस 1 5 cos स्क्वायर थीटा. दिस इज 5 cos स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 8 cos थीटा प्लस 3. इसका फैक्टराइजेशन कर लो. आप फैक्टर करोगे तो आ जाएगा 5 cos स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 5 cos थीटा माइनस 3 cos थीटा प्लस 3 इक्वल टू 0, राइट. यहाँ पे 5 cos थीटा कॉमन ले लोगे तो एक तरफ आ जाएगा 5 cos थीटा माइनस 3 और दूसरे में क्या आएगा? cos थीटा minus 1 equal to 0, right? Okay, so cos theta is equal to 1, which is theta 0. That can never happen. That's the significance of the question is lost at this point. Theta 0 का मतलब क्या है? कुछ नहीं, extreme position है ही नहीं, right? और ऑप्शन के हिसाब से 3/5. So theta is equal to cos inverse 3/5. All right. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. Do share the video, do subscribe the channel if you think you have learned something from the channel. Okay, thank you so much, and soon I'll be coming with a subscription based help in physics only, and you can subscribe and get help in more personalized way, the way you need it, like anytime you need it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video.